Wonderful good evening today from Phuket, and we are at the famous Bangla Road here. So in Patong beach area, and we're gonna check out the nightlife over here, how it is. It's pretty crowded, people everywhere. So yeah, let's go, and don't forget to give us a like and
hit the subscribe button. So here you can go shooting. Wow, amazing.
Can I give you one? Huh? Yeah, here you go. Patong beach.
So guys, we have been one time here at the Patong beach and it was already pretty crowded, but I think now it's high season and now it's even worse. So there are so many people. Here they have a ping pong show.
What is the program?
Indian party here, Bollywood. Oh, thank you. No tattoo tonight. This street is crazy, guys.
It's now a toilet. Where can we find a toilet?
Bro, that's a club here. You wanna go? Yeah. Even man. Oh, French Montana is coming tonight. You see, bro? French Montana is coming tonight here. Let's go. You want to go? You want to see French Montana? Let's ask. Let's see how much. Let's ask how much. Huh? You want to get beaten, that he beats you? No. You want to fight the guy? Hello?
Entry 1,000 baht and 2,000 baht unlimited drink.
Here?
Students, yeah.
On which time come French Montana?
Around 1 or 1:30.
How long?
Not know.
Not long.
Not know.
Eating? How long? 1 hour?
I don't know.
He comes at 1.
Between 1 and 1:30 around it.
1:30.
Can you stop the camera? I just want to be on the
Okay, okay. Should we go? No. You're a star, man. We don't have to see French Montana. You're the star.
What?
Follow this guy, Tis Pronto. He's the biggest content creator from Switzerland. Even though Switzerland is not that big, but still very nice.
Wildest.
What's there? Upstairs? Burger King. In the Burger King. Burger King. Burger King. Burger King. Burger King. So guys, you can literally have anything here. Anything that God has forbidden.
Die schöne.
Aus Männer.
Yeah, so a lot of these girls are probably men, or were men, I guess.
The more the girl than is the lady boy. They're so
What do you say? You want to do gun shooting? You want to take a photo for 100 baht? You can take a photo for 100 baht.
Ich will da runter schießen.
Kannst du genug schießen, Militär? Okay, let's go shooting. That's not real shooting, huh?
That's with flex cams.
So we are shooting here.
Oh my god! Like this.
Yeah, crazy place, huh? I'm glad I have you. We don't need to party. We can stay at home, watch Netflix all night long. a lot more comfortable. But it's definitely a nice experience.
Oh my
You
God.
have to see that once, guys.
It's just
Do
a
everything
great
you want
place.
here.
Buy one, get one free shot.
Also, Spider-Man is here, bro. What a place, what a place. So we are at the end of the street
And ready to go home.
and also at the end of this video. This was kind of a different video, but I think it was also important to see that side of Thailand, right? Because a lot of you guys who are coming to Thailand want to see that probably. So maybe the single ones, but yeah, maybe also the couples, I don't know. But yeah,
It's definitely a place that you cannot miss, even as a couple. Like, it's nice to walk through, like to see this crazy world.
you say you have to see it once in your lifetime if you come to Thailand. So I hope you like this video, guys. If yes, give it a like, give it a comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.